وهذا كتاب أنزلناه مبارك مصدق الذي بين يديه ولتنذر أم القرى ومن حولها.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. الحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله سيدنا Muhammad wa ala alihi ajma'in. Today inshallah we'll talk about Surah Al-Alaq. Al-Alaq is a clot. The closest meaning is clot. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentioned about human beings who are created from the clot. And then in this surah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentions about the importance of knowledge and the danger of ignorance. And what is the connection between a clot and importance of knowledge and a danger of the ignorance? With knowledge, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala shows that there is honor for those who know more about Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, about the deen, about the ilm al-nafiya, and spread this deen, spread this knowledge, spread the truth to others, and for them is honor. Those who are ignorant about the greatness of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and not acknowledge that Allah is a creator and Allah is a sustainer and Allah is where to Allah we need to return back to, meaning the day of judgment. They are the worst people. And the difference between these two are the one who have the knowledge, more knowledge about Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will be humble. Will be humble towards Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, will be humble towards others because of having knowledge, the right knowledge. There are people who have knowledge which is not necessarily beneficial knowledge, and nowadays people talk about some unnecessary things and take a pride on it and ignore the truth, ignore about Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and they become arrogant that how much do they know about things which are useless. The reason Allah knows the best why Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentioned about the clot and the knowledge is the formation of the clot itself is a very complex process. That's number one. That shows the greatness of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, how Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala created a clot in the first place from the cells. Compare the cells and the size of the clot is a very huge. The clot itself is very huge and it is live. And compare the clot with the human being that is being a child or fetus that is born. A newborn that is born is very large and very complex. Has bones, brain, nerve, and many things, and the whole system inside from just two cells forming into one cell and clot making into such a complex system that stays for 100 years or more and functions. The heart that functions like for 100 years without any problem. This is the greatness of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. When Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentioned about clot is actually Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala would like you to, or us to pay attention to how Allah has created such a complex human being and gave the ability to learn, to speak, and to communicate, and to ponder upon the knowledge that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given. And the greatness is in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's creation, Allah's ability to create Allah's command to create such a complex phenomena and maintain it and give knowledge to it. This is what Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is trying us, Allah knows the best, is to have us ponder upon such a complex phenomena that Allah has created. Without Allah, it is not possible. So, number one is when you talk about the clot, the alaq means to think about the greatness of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, how Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala created from alaq to a human being. And it is going through several stages of development. It also means that who we are, and from a clot to a very intelligent human being, that also shows that there is a potential for us to be able to grow in our knowledge, to understanding and being cognizant of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So this is a reminder that you were a clot and we made you human, such an intelligent human, and ability to do many things. This is through knowledge. Knowledge of acknowledging Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that He is a Rabb, and knowledge that what our rights to others. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us ability to learn more and ponder upon it. Subhanakallah bihamdika nastaghfiruka wa ilayk.
ومن يطع الله والرسول فأولئك مع